In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Constant Contact with Squarespace. To begin, open Constant Contact and log into your dashboard. This is where you will manage your account connections and integrations. Once you are signed in, take a moment to make sure you are on the main dashboard so the menu options are easy to find. From there, go to the Tools section. Inside that area, look for Apps and Integrations. This section is where Constant Contact keeps its available connection options for other platforms and services. Opening the Integrations area will let you search for the app you want to connect. Next, search for Squarespace. When it appears in the results, click on the Squarespace application card to open its integration page. This page gives you access to the setup process for linking the two accounts. If you do not see it right away, make sure the spelling is correct and give the page a moment to load the search results fully. Once you are on the Squarespace integration page, click Connect Account. This starts the authorization process between Constant Contact and Squarespace. At this point, you may be redirected to a Squarespace login screen if you are not already signed in there. When prompted, log into your Squarespace account. Be sure to use the account that manages the website you want to connect. After signing in, Squarespace will ask you to choose the website instance you want to authorize. If you manage more than one site, take care to select the correct one so the connection is applied to the intended website. After selecting your website, click Allow to approve the connection. This gives Constant Contact permission to connect with your Squarespace site. Once the authorization is complete, the integration should be active and the two platforms will be linked. If the connection does not appear right away, wait a few moments and refresh the page. In some cases, integrations can take a short time to finish syncing. It is also a good idea to confirm that you are logged into the correct accounts on both platforms before trying again. That covers everything you need to know.